Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Right here. 8 of hearts. Okay, got it?
Okay.
All right. I'll leave it somewhere in the middle of the deck, okay? All right, so that's a 6. So it's not on bottom and not on top. That's a 9. Everything looks like it. Anyway, what I'm going to do, first thing I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to get it back up to the top without doing nothing but snapping. Okay, got it back up to the top. Now, this time I'm going to use the jokers. I'm going to show you what I'll show you what I'll do. Look, I'll leave it sticking out here like this. So this time you can actually keep your eye on it, okay? And I'm going to try to use the jokers as kind of like a portal, okay? So if I take the jokers, and what I'll do is when I push this in, watch, push this in, and you see one card pops out of the jokers over here.
That's cool.
Yeah. All right, check this out. All right, so tell me when to stop, okay?
Stop.
9 of clubs. Okay? All right. Now this time I'm going to leave it sticking out, and I'm going to use the jokers as like a portal to try to find it, okay? So watch. When I push your card in, you're going to see what happens. So watch this. So the jokers, like I said, are going to be like a portal. Watch when I push your card in. 1, 2, 3. See how something pops out over here in between the jokers. Now this time I'm actually going to try to do it without even touching that. So I'll leave the jokers sitting aside here, right here. Okay, I'll put your card back somewhere in the middle of the deck. All right, now watch.
Bro.
No. No.
And your card was what? 9 of clubs?
Oh my god.
Good job.
Thanks, man. Hey, so I got this pack of jacks here, okay? All 4 jacks are in here. Clubs, hearts, spades, and diamonds. Just name any one of them. And let me see if we can get this right. Which one?
Spades.
Okay. Now, it doesn't always work, but let's see if I was right. Now, I actually stuck this in here earlier from a blue deck.
What? Oh my god.
No way.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, that is.
Yeah, we're searching up YouTube channel right now.
All right, yeah, I've got a bunch of Omegle performances on there, but I'm gonna start going out. There's gonna be live performances like Street Magic posted on there soon. I was just kind of waiting for the virus to die down a little,
All right.
but there's gonna be a bunch of Street Magic on there pretty soon. So,
Alright, that's
but
pretty cool.
thanks, man. So,
Oh, all right. That's been great.
all right, cool, man. Well, thanks for watching, you guys.
Alright, keep up the good work.
Thanks, man.
You're amazing.
All right, appreciate it.
Good luck.
Have a good night. All right, tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Right here. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. 10 of diamonds. Okay.
All right.
All right. So look, I'll take the 10 and I'll leave it somewhere in the middle of the deck. Okay. It's not on bottom, not on top, somewhere in the middle. Now what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to use the jokers as like a portal. Okay. Usually what I can do is if I can take the cards and just throw them like this, you see one card ends up in between the jokers.
Oh my God!
That's
Yeah!
Now, I'm actually going to try to do it again, but this time I'm going to try to do it without touching the jokers. Okay, so I'm gonna leave them right here in plain view, and put your card back in the deck. Okay, so it's right here. All right. All right. Let's see if this works. Doesn't always work. And what was your card?
Ten of diamonds.
10 of diamonds.
Oh my god. How?
Lots of practice. Lots of practice. This,
That is. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
you know what? This is actually, it's actually kind of weird because look, watch this. Look, I'll take the 10, right? Put it in the middle.
Yeah.
And I'll show you it's not on bottom or top. I stuck it somewhere in the middle. So look, watch. What's weird is if I snap, it actually comes back up.
No, no. Oh my god, how are you doing this?
Look, I'll actually leave it sticking out so you guys can track it. So watch this. I'll leave it sticking out this time. Look. 10 of diamonds, right? I'll leave it sticking out like this. Put a little bit deeper in here. All right, so watch this. Look, I'll show you the top card. 8 of hearts. Watch, I'll push your card in. Flip the top card over. Snap. Jumps right back up.
Oh my god, man. That is, yo, that is crazy. Yeah, I just copied it. So once I get on YouTube, I'll paste it and I'll subscribe.
Cool, man. I appreciate it. All right. Well, thanks for...
And have a great day.
You too. Thanks for watching. You want to see a cool trick? All right, watch this. Just tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Okay, right here. 5 of clubs. Okay. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to take the 5 and I'm going to put it in the deck and I'm going to leave it sticking out so you can see it. So just leave it about right about here. Okay. All right, and then I'm going to use the jokers as like a portal. So I'll leave your card sticking out. And watch this, okay? As I push it in, watch the jokers. 1, 2, 3. I push it in here and it comes out over here. All right, man, check this out. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Right here.
Yep.
All right, so 2 of diamonds, okay? All right, so I'm going to take the 2. I'm going to leave it sticking out so you can keep your eye on it.
Yep.
I'm going to use the jokers as like a portal, okay? So when I push your card in, they'll pop out over here. So watch this. 1, 2, 3. Push it in here, pops out here.
Yo, how the fuck did you do that?
It's weird, right? It's actually even weirder, man. I can usually do it without even touching the jokers. So watch this. Put your card back in the middle. Okay.
Yep.
Give it a little shuffle here. Now watch this shit. Ready?
Yeah. Yo.
What was your card? 2?
Do that. Can you teach me how to do that?
That's probably about 3 years worth of practice.
Is it sleight of hand?
Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot harder than it looks.
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
Takes quite a while. Takes quite a while. I mean, you gotta learn how to, like, make cards appear, disappear, things like that. Yeah.
Well, like, how did you even fucking do that?
Yeah, it's pretty crazy, man. Like taking cards and being able to change them and shake them and change them.
Like what? Like that was just insane. You can pretty good at that shit, dude.
Thanks, man.
I'll shoot you a sub right now.
All right, sweet, man. Sounds good.
I got you, bro. All right. I hope you have a great night.
Yep, you too. Thanks for watching, man.
Yes, sir.
See ya.